Hi dear students, you all are welcome to the class of Entrepreneurship Development. Our today's topic it is factors affecting entrepreneurial growth. As we discussed, there are too many factors which will influence entrepreneurial activities. We can categorize all these factors into four heads: economic factors, psychological, social, and government level actions. We already discussed economic factors like capital, labor, raw material, market, and infrastructure. So today we are going to discuss about psychological factors. The important psychological factors influencing entrepreneurial growth are: first and most important one, it is need achievement. There is a famous theory with regards to need achievement theory of entrepreneurship. Need for achievement is the desire to obtain excellent result by setting high standard and striving to achieve them or striving to accomplish them. It is a consistent concern with doing things better. So if the average level of need achievement in a society, if it is relatively high, one would expect a relatively high amount of entrepreneurship development in the society. So need for achievement is one of the factors which influence entrepreneurial growth. Need for achievement or need for result or consistent concern with doing things better. So there are too many training programs organized by Small Industries Extension Training Institute, Hyderabad, to develop or to provide to promote need achievement, and they states that need achievement can be developed through these intensive training programs. Then second one, withdrawal of status respect. It is another psychological factor. When members of a given social group perceive that they are not respected by the dominant groups in society, it triggers a personality change that encourages entrepreneurial behavior. There is a famous theory with regards to withdrawal of status respect, which is propounded by Hagen. He attributed the withdrawal of status respect of a group to the genesis of entrepreneurship. Then third psychological factor is motives. The psychological theories of entrepreneurship stress the motives or goals of the entrepreneur. Wealth, power, prestige, security, and service to the society, all are the certain motives behind entrepreneurship. The motives may be non-monetary also, like independence, person's self-esteem, power, etc. All these motives triggers the persons towards entrepreneurship. And last one, it is willingness to take risk. The capacity to take risk is another psychological factor influence entrepreneurial growth. Researchers have come to the conclusion that entrepreneurs who take moderate risk earn higher returns on their assets than who are not ready to take risk. So the capacity or willingness to take risk also considered as a psychological factor which influence on entrepreneurial growth. So these are the important psychological factors which influence on entrepreneurial growth. Okay, thank you all.